this is Engage New York, Lesson 8, problem number 2. So once again, we want to do the same thing that we did in number 1. We want to plot our points, we want to find the total area of our shape, and we want to write an expression that shows what we did here. So my first point is x, which is going to be at negative 10, 2. So I want to start at my origin, count over to the left 10 because it's negative. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, up to 1, 2. Okay, my next point is y, which is going to be at negative 3, 6. Start at my origin, count to the left 3. 1, 2, 3, up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This was point y, and this was point x. And finally, point z, negative 6, negative 5. Start at my origin, count over 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Negative 5, so we need to go down now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I went ahead and I plotted that point. Now we need to go ahead and connect them. Once again, you should do this with a straight edge, a ruler, the corner of a book, something. Now none of these sides fall on one of the grid lines of our coordinate plane. So it makes it a little bit more difficult to find the area of this shape. So what you need to do is draw a rectangle surrounding and enclosing the triangle. You want to be sure that the sides of your rectangle touch the sides of your triangle. So I'm going to make sure that when I draw my horizontal line here, it crosses with the vertex or the corner of my triangle. Same thing, going from y down, from y going across, and down here. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is find the area of the rectangle that I just drew. So to do that, I'm going to need to count my length and my width. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And down here, I start here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I know that my length and my width are 7 and 11. Now, instead of using the traditional formula for the area of a rectangle, I'm going to use the formula for the area of a parallelogram. Base times height. You can use either because a rectangle is a type of parallelogram. So A equals B times H. Now I know that the base of my rectangle is 7 and my height is 11. When I multiply, I get 77. So my area equals 77 units squared. Now that I've done that, in order to find the area of my triangle, I need to figure out the parts that I do not need to find the area of, which are triangle 1, triangle 2, triangle 3. So I'm just going to go ahead and number those. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so once again, I'm going to use the formula for the triangle. Area equals base times height divided by 2. For my first triangle, I'm going to go ahead and count at the base. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times, my height is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 times 6 divided by 2. 4 times 6 is 24, divided by 2 is 12. So the total area for my first triangle is 12 units squared. I'm going to come over here to triangle number 2. Use my same formula, area equals base times height, divided by 2. Okay, now I know my base is 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go ahead and substitute that in. Times my height, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 3 times 11 divided by 2. 3 times 11 equals 33. Divided by 2 is going to give me 16 and a half units squared. And finally, for triangle number 3, area equals base times height divided by 2. So I'm going to go ahead and find my base. Look for the straight line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times my height, which is 1, 2, 3, 4.